Assalamualaikum, Dr. Hamad. I hope we're not troubling you.
Walaikum assalam. Yes, no, you are not troubling me at all.
That's great. So can you tell us about the degrees that are offered in Biosciences?
Alright, so we are offering 5 different programs in Department of Biosciences. BS Biosciences and Biotechnology, MS Biosciences and Biotechnology, and PhD in Biosciences.
Great. So how many years has it been since this department started at SZABIST?
Alright, so we started our BS Biosciences program way back in fall of 2011. Then in 2015 fall, we started our MS Biosciences program, and we started our PhD Biosciences program in fall 2018.
So it's been a steady progress. Now let's move on to the main point. What does the term bioscience mean?
Alright, so first the term biosciences is a combination of two words, biological sciences. So in biological sciences, it's a very broad field, by the way, which encompasses biology, genetics, biochemistry, microbiology, biotechnology, physiology, and many other different fields.
So can you also tell us about how bioscience provides industry exposure to the students that are enrolled here?
Yes, a very good question, I must say. So we are doing this in our department, in our SZABIST, through 4 different ways, as far as I understand. So we do through internships, and in internships, basically students do their 6-week mandatory internship, especially our BS students do 6 weeks mandatory internship in different industry and pharmaceutical and diagnostic labs. And they do their internships to gauge the idea of real world projects, how they are being executed, and what are the practices and expectations of the different employees and different laboratories around Karachi area. Secondly, we do through research projects, and some of our students are working on the research projects, and they are engaged in research projects of their specific area of interest, and through which they are gaining a lot of knowledge, scientific knowledge. They are getting exposure through research publications, and also they are developing their own idea and avenue of research through which they can do the research in the future. Thirdly, we do this through guest lectures and workshops, and in this different industry and academia experts, they come to our campus and they conduct the workshops and lectures, and through which we basically give our students a knowledge about the different domains of science. And also these experts share their life experiences, which are very beneficial to our students, that how to go in the real world and how to perform different scientific tasks. And lastly, we conduct different networking events and career fairs here at SZABIST, and through which students are getting a lot of opportunities in terms of job, and they also get sometimes a very good job here on campus just after the completion of their degree.
I must say that sounds very interesting. Now can you tell us something about the scope of this field with reference to today's industrial demands?
All right. So again, I would say that there are a lot of different scopes and different areas that can be explored in terms of biosciences. But as far as the Pakistan is concerned, I would say that there are 4 different fields that I have identified where a lot of work can be done. So first is agriculture and food security, and for which we have developed a very good tissue culture lab here at SZABIST. I'm going to let you visit there shortly. And secondly, we have worked on healthcare and pharmaceutics, and for which I must say one of our faculty has done a tremendous job, because she has recently secured a grant of 15,000 euros, and she is working on neuroprotective agents. She is basically expert in the field of neurochemistry. And bioinformatics is another field which has a lot of scope in healthcare and pharmaceutics. Thirdly, for biotechnology and bioresources, one of our students has recently developed a bioplastic, which I've just shown you. So this was the project that was executed by our BS student, BS 7th semester student. So you can understand how good our students are in developing their projects and working on it. And another project that again we are working in the field of biotechnology and genetic engineering is about the green synthesis of nanoparticles and these have various applications in agriculture and disease management. And fourthly is environmental conservation and bioresources generation, for which one of our group, and in fact a group of our students, are working in developing a system through which they use industrial effluents and make them usable for the cultivation of plants through different mechanisms, through different chemical processes. So these are the 4 different biosciences scope pertinent to industry that we have identified.
Well, if someone had any doubts before, I'm sure they're absolutely certain to apply here now. Now, let us know about the basic eligibility criteria that you're looking for in an applicant for biosciences.
Yes, a very important question again for those students who are vying for admission here at SZABIST in all of our 5 programs. So these criteria are available on our website, SZABIST's website. Every student must visit who is looking for the opportunity at SZABIST website. And let me tell you, all of our programs are HEC approved, and we have got a good standing in every program as far as the SZABIST is concerned.
Well, thank you so much, Dr. Hamad. It's been a pleasure talking to you, and I'm sure a lot of people are going to apply to this program now.
Thank you so much, Aris. Lovely to have you.